Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you some very amazing tool that's going to help you out for the rest of your life as a developer. So this is my Visual Studio Code. This is my code editor of choice. I love it. It's fantastic. It's light, it's responsive, it's very fast. I like its user interface. It has so many tools that help me out. I have auto completion, some nice looking icons that really help me to just love everything I'm doing. I can push code directly to GitHub right here. Um, I can log into Spotify. I have tab 9, which is an AI that automatically predicts the code you're about to type. It really helps you increase productivity. I have these language features. I have two servers to be able to run my projects on some development server. I also have this code formatter called Prettier and so many more, so many extensions that I have that help me out, and I love them so much. So it's really a bugging issue when you're not on your PC, when you are somewhere else and you have to use another PC and you have to spend hours configuring, downloading Visual Studio Code, configuring your favorite extension, setting up the terminal, the development environment. It's such a pain, and it really removes the feeling of enjoyment that you should be having while developing on some other PC. So, what if I told you that there was a way, no matter where you are, there's a system which can record your preferences, the theme you like, your favorite extensions, all that stuff, and you have all your development environments already set up and ready to go. If you're developing Laravel, Node.js, no matter what it is, TypeScript, JavaScript, just vanilla, everything you already have it set up. All you have to do is go onto your browser and you will have your Visual Studio Code with everything. Well, here I am to tell you that is exactly what is possible. This is my browser where I have another version of Visual Studio Code with everything I like, my theme, my server, my terminal, all my extensions. I can deploy to GitHub. I can do exactly what I could. I also have tab 9. I have literally everything. I also have my live servers. So no matter where I am, as long as I have a PC which can connect to the internet, which is virtually everywhere, I can just simply log in and just get my Visual Studio Code up and running. As you can see, I have a project from a while back open here. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get set up with this. This is made possible by a service known as Gitpod. So Gitpod allows you to be able to code from wherever you are. This is very good for remote development because if you're somewhere else, like if you wanted or if you are in a seminar or something of the sort and you are about to demonstrate your favorite framework, you don't want to spend hours downloading. All you have to do is set up whichever PC you're given and just log in to a desktop. You see, your environment, your tools, your craft, literally everything used by developers at Google, Uber, Amazon, etc. So all you have to do is create an account, and once you're done creating your account, you'll have access to a dashboard. And in this dashboard, you will be able to import projects directly from your GitHub after you've connected it. You'll be able to import repositories directly from GitHub and start working on them. As you can see, these are all my repositories. If I decide to hit on new project, Gitpod has access to all my repositories. So all I have